Some people can't receive the love that you have to offer because the love you have to offer comes from God, and they've already rejected the love of God. They can't receive you because they haven't received God, and you're an extension of Him. This is why it doesn't make sense for you to pour out all of your love, all of your devotion, try to make relationships work with people who have already rejected God, rejected Christ. Because that same God and that same Christ lives inside of you. And in order for you to come into agreement with them, you're going to have to come out of agreement with the God that you serve. There's a reason why the body of Christ is meant to be equally yoked. And God has called us not to be unequally yoked with unbelievers. This is not because they're not good enough or they're not worthy of love, but they won't be capable of receiving the kind of love that God commands us to give. So stop worrying about who can't receive the kind of love that you have, especially if they have not learned yet to receive that love from God.